Hi guys, my name is Bassam. I wanted to do a quick video on how to install Docker on a Raspberry Pi. It's really straightforward. There's nothing complicated about it. The only thing I would say is make sure that your Raspberry Pi OS is a 64-bit version. And you're just going to go to the install page, and I'll link that below in the description. Just go to Debian. And first thing we're going to do, we're going to make sure there's no Docker packages already installed. So we're just going to copy and paste that command and run it. Takes just a moment. Next, we're just going to go to the next section for the setting up the repository. We're doing the automated method as opposed to the manual method, installing from a package. So we're just gonna copy, paste. Next, we're actually gonna install the packages themselves using apt-get. I'm just copying the next section of it. This is just to run the test container. Let's run the test container. And as long as you get this message, hello from Docker over here, that means everything is Docker is installed properly. One thing I will do quickly is to add the current user to the Docker group. That allows you to run Docker commands without using sudo. And for this to work, you sort of have to reboot. So I'll do that afterwards. But anyway, I hope you found this useful. I'll leave some links in the description below.